This is the aftermath of our run yesterday. On our way back from the pub, we ended up getting into a little side hole, and it was a lot deeper than it looked. It was about 2.5 feet wide, maybe 4 feet long, and probably 4.5, 5 feet friggin' deep. So I stepped off the bike, man. I like right up to my armpits. I had my waders on, and I knew I wasn't getting out of it, so I had my buddy with the Honda, and it was just out of desperation. He was like, man, just hook onto the rack and get me the hell out of here. Excuse me. Anyway, don't mind all the debris and chickens and stuff here, but so anyway, I didn't bother filming the shenanigans, but as you can see, I'm sure most of you, your oil doesn't look like this. This is my second oil change. Came home yesterday and flushed it out a bit, changed the filter. I got a new filter on there, ran some more oil through it, drained it again, topped it back up, and that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna be a few oil changes here. There's some of it that came out of it, and that's some of the better stuff. Here's some other flush that I did. As you can see, that is a lot of water. So, update on the bike. Of course, there's always something. And yeah, so now we're just gonna pick up some more oil, a few filters. I have quite a few parts on the shelf around here. I mean, I'm sure you guys can, you know, tell why. Got her pretty mucked up. But anyway, gonna have to start having 2 oil changes on the shelf, I guess, because one isn't gonna be enough if we're gonna be doing that all the time. Not really something I was setting out to do, but of course, it can happen. You get into one of those holes and it's nothing like what you were expecting. So we'll get back after it, and we'll get some more videos for you guys. I noticed my chest mount's not working very good with that Rad Relocate on there. I try to remind myself to posture up so you guys can get some good footage of going down the trail. So we might get something going on with the head mount, but yeah, that'll be coming. All right, guys, hope you had a good weekend. We sure did, and we'll see you in the parts department on Monday. Take her cool.